Hi, this is Drea. Welcome to the Kodiak online course template. This video will explain what's in this template and how to use it to jumpstart creating your online course. The first step in using this template is to copy it into your current live Kodiak course. You'll notice in the first news item there is a link to see how to copy course components. I recommend watching this video and then going to your live course, your current Kodiak course, and following the instructions in the video to copy this MC Buzz UG online template into your current live Kodiak course. After you have copied it into your course, you can modify it. We don't want people modifying it here in the master course. Many of you are enrolled in here as faculty, so you do have that ability. So we're asking you to please first copy the course into your live course and then begin modifying it. So with that said, let me just explain a little bit about what's in here. The news widget is a really great feature within Kodiak because it's a great way to communicate with students. I have provided you with several news items that you can read to see how you might use the news widget. Once this has been copied into your own course, you most likely will delete all of the news widgets, news items above this sample welcome to your students. Save this one and edit it so that it suits you and your students. The ones above, which are directed to you, user of template, you might, or most likely, will delete. Okay, so with this template, we've provided you with sample elements that are typically found in an online course and reflect best practices in online learning. In Kodiak, content is king, so let's go to content and see what's in here. Content the content link in the nav bar, when you select it, takes you into the manage content state of content, which is the editable state. If you want to view anything, I recommend you go to view content, and from here you can view. The very first module within this template is a module with how-to documents. In order to make the most of this template, print the Kodiak online course template guide and use it as you work with your course. If Kodiak is new to you and you're very confused, watch this Getting Started in Kodiak video. It is 20 minutes long and it will provide you with an overview of all the features and functionality in Kodiak and teach you how to navigate around in Kodiak. There's also a document that you can print that will guide you through the process of setting up a gradebook in Kodiak. It is a points-based gradebook, but it's very easy once you're in the gradebook to change that to a weighted gradebook if you prefer to use a weighted gradebook. Again, this is the link to the video of how to copy course components. When you're copying course components, the recommendation is copy all components, and then once you've copied it over, if you don't want something, delete it. There's also a link in this template how-to module to the Introduction to Kodiak for Faculty course. Just using the template alone will not fully train you in how to use Kodiak. You're going to want to supplement the template with the documents above and the Introduction to Kodiak for Faculty course. If you are not already enrolled in that course, you can contact someone in EdTech and Training to make sure you get enrolled in that course. The course is full of text and video documentation, and it's constantly being added to. Okay, so that is the first module, which is hidden from student view. When you bring it over into your course, you can leave it there because students won't see it. It's hidden, or delete it. Then the module layout begins with course information and a weekly and topic breakdown. Within each week I have put a resources and activities submodule to help make clear to students what is what inside of your course outline. Actually, it says it right up here. It's a table of contents that you're building for your course, and so think of your course as though it were a book, and you build the table of contents to reflect what's in your course. So I've added several things that you can edit, like for example about the instructor. Once you select something from view, you're in the content viewer, but because you're faculty, you'll have the ability to edit this topic and fill it out with your information. The course syllabus page provides you with information as to how to not only edit this document here, but also how alternatively to upload a course file, a Word document version of your syllabus. So there are also within content, now I'm back in Manage Content, a number of quick links to activities. These are discussion topics that are specific to course-related questions and Kodiak-related questions. I recommend leaving these because students will ask their questions in here, and most often students will answer them as well. We also have a link in here to the website where we have over 60 3-minute videos for students on how to use Kodiak from their perspective. The activities like the discussions, and then we also have a sample Dropbox, a sample quiz, and a sample survey. To modify those, you need to step out of the content area by going to Course Home, and then via the Tools widget, go directly to the discussions area and the Dropbox area to edit any of these things that were provided in the template. So I selected Dropbox, and now I'm looking at 3 sample Dropboxes, and I can edit all of them by selecting the pencil, or if I so choose, I can delete them all. So together with the template, the Introduction to Kodiak for Faculty course, and support from the EdTech and Training department, we hope that you are well on your way to building out your Kodiak courses.